Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design an aesthetic dashboard in Notion step by step using a clean and modern style that looks good and stays functional. If you love minimal design but don't want your dashboard to feel cluttered or confusing, this guide is perfect for you. Let's start by creating a new page in Notion. Name it something like Aesthetic Dashboard or My Space. This page will be your main visual hub. At the top, add a soft cover image. Choose something minimal. Neutral colors, gradients, or calm scenery work best. Then add a simple icon, maybe a moon, leaf, or abstract symbol. Small details like this instantly make your dashboard feel aesthetic. Now, below the title, add a short line of text, something calm and personal like focus, create, repeat. This sets the mood every time you open Notion. Next, let's structure the dashboard. Create a heading called Overview or Today. This is where your most important items will live. Now, create columns. Drag blocks side by side to form 2 or 3 columns. Aesthetic dashboards work best when everything feels balanced and spacious. In the first column, add your tasks. Insert a linked database from your task list. Filter it to show only active or today's tasks. Keep the view simple. No extra colors, no unnecessary fields. In the second column, add a notes or journal section. Use a toggle block labeled Quick Notes or Daily Thoughts. Toggles keep your dashboard clean while hiding extra content. If you want a third column, add habits or goals. A simple checklist or minimal table works perfectly here. Avoid heavy trackers, less is more. Now let's focus on colors and fonts. Use soft background colors for headings. Light beige, gray, or pastel tones create a calm aesthetic. Avoid using too many colors. Stick to one theme. Add dividers between sections to create breathing space. White space is a huge part of aesthetic design. You can also add small visual elements, minimal icons, emojis at the start of headings, or a small quote block add personality without clutter. If you like visuals, embed a calendar or timeline view, but keep it compact. The dashboard should feel light, not heavy. One important rule: aesthetic does not mean complicated. If something looks good but you never use it, remove it. Your dashboard should support your life, not distract you. And that's how to design an aesthetic dashboard in Notion step by step in 2026. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.